Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Garry's mod NextBot. NextBots are a fantastic addition to your Garry's mod experience, bringing a new level of dynamic AI to your game. These intelligent entities can chase, evade, and interact with the environment, creating incredibly engaging scenarios. They are a core part of many popular game modes and offer endless possibilities for fun and challenge. Let's dive into how you can start playing with them today. Getting NextBots into your game is quite straightforward. First, open your spawn menu by pressing the Q key on your keyboard. From there, look for the NPCs tab, which usually contains various categories of characters. You'll find specific sections dedicated to NextBots, often labeled clearly. Simply click on the NextBot you wish to spawn, and it will appear in your game world, ready for interaction and mayhem. You can spawn dozens at once. One of the best parts about NextBots is their customizability. By holding down the C key, you can open the context menu and right-click on a spawn NextBot to access its properties. Here, you can tweak various settings like their movement speed, overall health, and even their aggression levels. For even more variety, the Steam Workshop offers thousands of community-created NextBot add-ons, introducing unique models and behaviors to keep things fresh and exciting. NextBots truly shine when integrated into different game modes. While they are fantastic in a standard sandbox environment, they also add an intense layer to modes like Trouble in Terrorist Town or custom survival maps. Feel free to design your own scenarios, perhaps a chase through a dark corridor or a massive battle in an open field. Remember that different maps can significantly alter how NextBots behave, so experiment with various environments for endless entertainment and challenge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.